up guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Indian Creator, and today we will learn about the basic concepts of Adruino Uno, and we will code the basic codes in Adruino Uno. So let's see what things are required. We require Adruino Uno, the cable for the code transfer from our PC to our Adruino Uno, laptop which will be needed for coding, a breadboard and male to male jumper wires, and 4 to 5 LEDs. Adruino Uno looks like this. It has 0 to 13 digital pins. Digital pins. Now you will say, what is meant by digital pins? Digital pins can be used as input and output. After that you can see GND, that means negative. Now come on the left side. Here you can see power. Adruino Uno offers you two power types. This means that it has two power types. It offers you two power types of 5 volt and 3.5 volt. If you have connected a appliance which run on 3.5 volt which runs on 3.3 volt, then you can connect the appliance here at 3.3 volt and the GND above win. If your appliance works on 5 volt, then you can connect it to 5 volt and you can connect the GND below the 5 volt. Now what is this button? This is the reset button. If you push this reset button, then all the codes you have coded are vanished off. Now you are having two power in types in Adruino. First is the jack. This jack. In this, a jack will be fitted with and connected to a battery. This is the jack. By this you can connect it to 9 volt battery, and like this you can power it. Or you can use the USB cable. By the USB cable you can turn on the Adruino Uno. Now we have learned about Adruino Uno. Let's connect the app. As I have plugged in the USB, you can see two lights are blinking in Adruino. This indicates that your Adruino Uno has powered on. Friends, I have opened an app. Its name is MBlock. Now in this we have to plug in the USB which is connected to Adruino Uno. I have connected it before. Now I disconnected and I have now connect. Then click on show all connectable devices. It is showing COM4. Connect. Now your Adruino is connected to your PC. Now go in events and take when Adruino Uno starts. First we will code, and after that we will make all the circuits. Then after that go in pins. Then set digital pin 11 as high. After that go in control. Wait 1 second. Then go in pin. Set digital pin 11 as low. We are going to do this for 3 elements. This hole is for 1 element. Now then take again, wait 1 second. Then after this go in pin and then take set digital pin 10 as high. After that again go in control and wait 1 second. Then set digital pin 10 as low. Then again go in control, wait 1 second. Then take set digital pin 9 as output high. Now go in control, again take 1 second. Again go in pin, set digital pin 9 as low. Now go in events, control, and take this forever block. Go in control and take this forever block and take it like this. Now our code is ready. After coding, we will work on circuits. Now here, take this one LED. Take a breadboard, this jumper wires. Take 6 jumper wires and 1, 2, 3 LEDs. Now take one LED and don't fit in this or this line. Fit it in this lines only. This middle. If you connect negative here and positive here, whole negative positive will be in there for 5 holes like this. If here negative, it is negative. Here positive like this. Now take one wire, a jumper wire male to male, and connect it here. Now take another jumper wire here. Now take the LED. This right wire is LED is positive. Connect it like this. Now as we have code that output 11 high, output 11 as low. Now what does this mean? This means that the right wire or the positive wire of LED is high and the negative wire of the LED is low. Now connect this to 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. Now here you can see 12, 13, and after 13, yes, and after 13 you can see G and D. Here G and D. Then connect this yellow wire to G and D. I will connect and show you. Here it is connected to G and D and the positive is connected to 30. But now we will not upload the code. Now take another LED, take a wire and don't place it in this row. Place it here. Now take another wire and place it at the left. Now take the LED and place the positive of LED at the red one, at the row of red wire, like this. Now take the red wire to 10 as we have coded in the PC. 10 output as high and 10 output as low. 10 output as high. Now take this red positive wire of LED and connect it to red and connect it to 10. Connect. Now take this brown wire or negative of our LED and connect it to the GND. But now here this is the GND. No, there are more two GNDs here. Here at 5 volt also you can see a GND. I have connected the wire to the GND. Take the last and the third LED and to its wires. Now take this black wire as LED is negative and connect it in any other row, and then take the brown, connect it at the right of this black wire. Now take this LED and in this LED we have to connect the LED to the brown wire is positive and the black wire is negative. Now I have connected it. Now take this brown wire and as we have coded in the code that set digital pin 9 output as high, set digital pin 9 as low. So we will do like that only. We will connect the brown wire to 9. Yes, connect it. And then take this brown wire and connect it to 3.3 GND. As I told you that it offers us two types of battery, 3.3 GND and 5 volt GND. So now it's done. So now we will upload the code. Now as we have done all the circuits, now I will just upload the code. Yes, the code is successfully uploaded and I will show you all the 3 LEDs are glowing. And as we have coded that, wait 1 second, and after that one LED glows for 1 minute, and then after 1 second the another LED glows. You can see that if this one LED is glowing for 1 second, then it stops for 1 second, then another LED glows for 1 second, and it stops glowing for 1 second, then the another glows. Like this it is glowing, and our code is successfully done. If you have any doubt regarding this video, then you can let me know in comment section, or you can DM me on my Instagram handle. The link is given in the description box. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.